Welcome you to this video lecture on 5th semester construction practice lab. Today in this session we will look at the preparation of bar bending schedule and fabrication of reinforcement for lintel with Chhajja. In this session the topic covered are introduction, tools required, procedure, calculation of cutting length of each bar, tabulation in bar bending schedule, and at the last we look at the multiple choice question. Introduction. Lintel is defined as a horizontal member which is placed across the opening, maybe on the door or on the window or on the ventilator. The lintel is designed as a beam to take wall load coming on it. And the Chhajja or a sunshade is projecting from the lintel and it is designed as a cantilever slab. The aim of the experiment is to prepare the bar bending schedule and fabrication of reinforcements for lintel with Chhajja. Tools required are hammer, chisel or power cutting tools, bending hook, bar bending keys or bar bending machine, measuring tape 3 meter long, 3-pin bar bending table, chalk box, etc. And materials required are bar bending wire and reinforcement of required diameter, safety items, the safety helmets, safety shoes, goggles and hand gloves are required for the safety of the laborer. These are the general tool required for fabrication: bar bending hooks, lever or bar bending keys. This is a 3-pin plate which can be fixed on the bar bending table, and power cutting machines, tape, etc. The bar bending involves cutting the steel bars to the required length. The required length of the bar are marked on the steel bars, and the steel bars are cut to the required length. And these bars are bent to the required size and shape. Then these bars, when the bars are cut and bent to the required shape and size, the bars are fixed in a cage according to the structural drawing and laying in a correct position. If the diameter of the bar is larger, then for a huge quantity of steel to be bent in a required size, for a larger construction site, the bar bending can be done in bar bending machine. You can see there the bar bending machine, they are bending the stirrups stirrups are bent to the required shape using hydraulic bar bending machine. The number of bars bending depends on the capacity of hydraulic bar bending machine. For the accurate bending to the required angle can be achieved using the bar bending machine. After the bar is bent to the required size, bar is cut to the required size, and bent to the required shape. These bars are fixed in a cage for the required position, and those bars are tied together using bar bending wire. Usually it is done using manually, it is done by hooks, bar bending hooks, but for the large quantity, huge quantity of steel is there to bind, it requires much more time. Hence, electrically operated or battery operated, the binding machine can be used. Next exercise: prepare bar bending schedule of a lintel with chhaja from the following details. The size of the opening 1 meter, bearing on either side is given as 150 mm. The cross section of the lintel is 230 mm wide and 150 mm deep, and thickness varies from 75 mm to 100 mm. Thickness of the chhaja varies from 75 to 100 mm. Reinforcement details. The lintel reinforcement consists of 4 bars of dia 10 mm, that is 2 bars at the top and 2 bars at the bottom, and 2 legged stirrups of 6 mm dia at 150 mm centers are provided. The chhaja reinforcement consists of, the main reinforcement consists of 8 mm dia at 150 mm center, and the distribution steel consists of 6 mm dia at 100 mm center. The clear cover to the reinforcement provided is 25 mm for the lintel and 15 mm for the chhaja. This is the data given. Based on these data, we need to prepare the structural drawing. Once the structural drawing is prepared, then we move on to the calculation of the length of the each bar. The first thing is we have to prepare the structural drawing based on the given data. Here the longitudinal section of the lintel is given. The opening, the size of the opening is 1000 mm. The all dimension is given in mm. 1000 mm, 1 meter. Then bearing on the either side, the lintel bearing on the either side is taken as 150 mm, 150 and 150 mm. Then the height or depth of the lintel is 150 mm. And reinforcements, it consists of 4 bars of 10 mm dia at bottom, 2 bars at bottom and 2 bars at the top. Hanging bars, 2 numbers, 10 mm dia, 2 numbers, and the main reinforcement 10 mm dia, 2 numbers, and the stirrups, 6 mm dia stirrups are provided at 150 mm center. This is the, it shows the longitudinal section of a lintel. Then we need to draw the cross section of a lintel with chhaja. All thickness is taken as 230 mm, and the depth of the lintel is given as a 150 mm, and the projection of chhaja is 450 mm from the face of the wall, and the thickness of the chhaja varies from 75 mm at the free end and to the 100 mm at the junction of lintel and chhaja. At the face of the wall it is 100 mm. And we'll come to the reinforcement now. The lintel reinforcement consists of 4 bars of 10 mm dia, 2 at top and 2 at the bottom, 2 legged stirrups of 6 mm dia at 150 mm center are provided. When you come to the cross section of the chhaja sunshade, there the chhaja mean bar 8 mm dia at 150 mm center, and distribution bars of 6 mm dia at 100 mm center are provided. This we need to prepare before calculating the cutting length of the each bar. Once the structural drawing is prepared, read the drawing carefully and identify the type of bar, grade of reinforcement to be used, and diameter of the bar. one should able to read the drawings, structural drawings, and we need to identify what is the diameter of the bar and what is the grade of the steel and what is the shape. You need to identify the grade and shape of the bar. Then in the third step, we need to calculate the cutting length of the bar from the structural drawing. We'll look at the calculation of cutting length of each bar now. Then we need to prepare bar bending schedule and calculate the total steel required, and you need to tabulate in bar bending schedule table. Once you calculate the length of the bar and cutting length of each bar, then you have to mark the appropriate cutting length on the straight bars. You need to straighten the bars first, then after on the straight bars we need to mark the cutting length using chalk piece, then cut and bend to the required length as per schedule, then tie the reinforcement using binding wire. Then in last step, place the cover blocks at the bottom to ensure clear cover, and check the position of main reinforcement and stirrups carefully and rectify the defects if any. Now, calculation of